Hello, I'm Miss Hartley. I just wanted to provide you with a really brief tutorial. I'm trying to keep it to a minimum. I'm bad about that. The question was, how do I filter specifics, especially if they're in larger numbers? And it really just depends on what you're looking for. But I'm going to give you my spin on it, and then maybe that way you can do something that will benefit you. So I have this spreadsheet, this Google sheet with students, a questionnaire they asked, and I'm going to show you how that I filtered out all of the students that were testing for biology. So if this is on a bigger scale, of course, this would help a whole lot more. But this is the only sheet that I could think of to use for the moment. So I find a column that I asked for them to choose if they were taking Algebra 1 biology or not taking an exam for the end of semester. And I click on this drop down arrow in the column and I find the A through Z sort because I know, well, even if it was say it just said science instead of biology, I know it's a little further down. So I have, let me go back and make sure. Okay, I have to double check myself. So that worked out. And biology starts right here. So what I'm doing is I'm going to the row that biology started in, and I click Control Shift. Now, if I want to go all the way across, I just use the right arrow. But since I just want to get to the information all the way to biology, I just tap on each individual line. So instead of me going the down arrow, because I know biology is not going to go all the way down, and look, I've skipped, it started right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to find the end of biology and tap on that. And now I've highlighted everything that is in that section that I'm needing. I will click on edit. I'll copy that information. So now it's grabbed all that's in the blue, and that's what I need. And instead of, where am I taking this to? How can you can either highlight it, but if you really need it separate, I just click on the plus sign on the bottom, and I'm actually adding a sheet within the sheet with the different data. So I click on the plus sign, so it'll open a brand new sheet within the sheet. So you don't have a ton of sheets because they're all related. So it's best just to, click the plus sign on the bottom, and then I'll click on edit again, and I'll just paste that. And here we go. Now we have a list of all the students that are testing for biology, and they're separate. Because if I click on the prior sheet, and you can see the list of sheets that you have on the bottom, and you'll see that it's still there. They weren't taken out. I just took a copy of it. But that's it. If you have any more questions, you know how to reach me. Just send me a message.